Last week on November 11th, Leacock had its annual Remembrance Day Assembly to show respect to those who have been impacted during the times of war. There were different types of performances which students put together in class. Many poems and haikus were narrated.
A painful day, yet I choose to call it peaceful.
And a band performance performed by none other than the music class. And this goes along for many of the other performances put together by the students and staff, all in honor to the lost lives during war.
The assembly was very nicely done and it was well organized. The student performances were really good and it was very clear that they put in a lot of effort. The assembly also gave me a wonderful chance to reflect on what happened in the past, and it also gave me time to think about how I can change the world for better.
Remembrance Day is important because it's not only for us to reflect on the past, but it's also for us to think about the future and what we are contributing to our community, and to think about how we can make our communities more positive spaces. I had two classes performing in the assembly. They are both the drama classes happening this semester at Leacock, and they prepared by using choral speaking to perform poems about peace to the school.